Welcome to this easy and practical tutorial on setting environment variables in Windows and Linux. Environment variables are key value pairs that store info your system and apps need, like where to find Java or Python. Environment variables are key value pairs that define important paths and settings for your operating system and applications. They help programs find dependencies like Java or Python. In Windows, use set to add a variable temporarily, and set X for make it permanent. See an example of this. To check it, run echo %java_. In Linux, use the export command to set temporary environment variables. See an example of this on screen. This adds your app to the system path for the current session. To check if a variable like java_home is set, run echo $java_home. Here are some real-world examples. Whether it's Python, Node, or Java, environment variables keep things clean and easy to configure. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips.